Children, this is solved example from page number 114 of your textbook. What does this example say? Find the coordinate of the point of trisection of a line segment joining the point A and B. For example, this is the point A and this is the point B. We want to find out the coordinates of the point of trisections. Now, trisection means there are 2 points and those 2 points divide this line segment into 3 equal parts. Now, you will think, why in the middle only after centroid I am solving this? Because after this trisection sum, I will be doing 5.2 sums which are related to trisection. So, point P and point Q are the point which divide the line segment into 3 equal sections, and therefore point P and Q are known as points of trisection. What are they known as? Points of trisection. So we need to find out the coordinate of these 2 points. Now if they are dividing the line segment AB into 3 equal parts, so what can we say about AP, PQ and QB? So P and Q are point of trisection, points of trisection, and therefore we can say AP equal to PQ equal to QB. All these points are equal to one another. So I can say, now if I take AP upon PB, I can write this AP upon PB as PQ plus QB, PQ plus QB, because PB is equal to PQ plus QB, but all these sections are equal to one another. So instead of PQ and QB, I can use here AP upon PQ is AP again, plus, because AP is equal to PQ, AP is also equal to QB, plus AP again. So AP upon 2 time AP get cancelled, 1 upon 2. So AP upon PB, AP upon PB is divided in the ratio 1 upon 2. So you know the ratio now, we can find the coordinate of the point P now first. A coordinates are given 2 minus 2. And B coordinates are given minus 7, 4. We need to find the coordinate of point P, and we know the ratio in which P is dividing AB. P is dividing AB in the ratio 1:2. So M is to N we can take as 1:2, because point P is dividing the line AB in the ratio of 1:2. 1 part here and 2 parts here. So what do we get? When any point is dividing any line in the ratio, then we can use definitely section formula. And by section formula we can find the coordinate of point P. Let us take it as X and Y. And this one will be X1, Y1. This one will be X2 and Y2. So let us find coordinate X by section formula. Mx2 plus Nx1 upon M plus N. Now let us place the value. X we need to find. X is equal to, M is how much, children? 1 into X2. X2 is how much? Minus 7 plus N. N is what? 2. So 2 into X1. X1 is how much? 2 upon what? M plus N. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. X is equal to 1 into minus 7 plus 4 upon 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 upon 3. 3 get cancelled, minus 1. So X coordinate we got minus 1. Let me write here x coordinate as -1. Now we will be finding y coordinate, children. So y coordinate is equal to now m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n, children. So y is equal to, placing the value m. M is 1. 1 into y2. Y2 is how much? 4 plus n into y1. N is how much? 2 into y1. And what is y1? Y1 is into -2 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2 to the 4 plus -4 upon 3. Now what will happen? Plus minus will become minus. 4 minus 4 upon 3 is 0 upon 3, children, which is 0. So y coordinate we got as 0. So here for the point P we got y coordinate as 0 and x coordinate as y. Children, Q divides line AB in ratio 2:1. See, 1, 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. So m is to n is given 2:1. Now let us find the coordinate of point Q. Let me take them as x and y. So again, bisection formula, children. Bisection formula. X is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So place the value, children. M is 2 into x2. x2 is -7 plus n is 1. 1 into x1. x1 is 2 upon 2 plus 1, because m is 2, n is 1. So we get -14 plus 2 upon 3. And minus is there, plus is there, it will be subtraction, which will be -12 upon 3. 3 4s are. So x coordinate we got -4 here of point Q. Let us go for y coordinate by placing the value. M is 2 into y2, and y2 is 4 plus n is 1. 1 into y1, that is -2 upon 1 plus 2, children. M is 2 plus 1, children. So we get 2 4s are 8 plus -2 upon 3. 8 minus 2 plus minus will become minus. So 8 minus 2 upon 3, and 8 minus 2 is 6 upon 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So y coordinate we got here, children, as 2. You can see. So y coordinate we got here 2. So this was the example, page number 114. Now based on this example, from 5.2, rest of the sums are there, that is 10th, 11th and 12th. Now we are going to continue with them. 10th sum of 5.2 exercise related with the trisection example which we did before. Here we have to find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line segment AB. It is given this is line segment AB. There are 2 points of trisection. Let us take at P and Q. So trisection point are the points which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. So and A is given 2, 7, 2, 7. B is given -4, -8. We need to find the coordinate of A, P and Q. So if P, Q are points of trisection, then point P and Q will divide the line into equal parts. Therefore, we can say AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Fine. So, we will take AP upon PB, and AP upon PB is equal to what? PQ plus QB. PQ plus QB, which is AP is equal to AP upon PQ is equal to AP, QB is also equal to AP. So I can write AP plus AP. AP upon 2 times AP. So AP get cancelled, 1 upon 2. So point P, therefore point P divides line AB in 1:2 ratio, which is equal to M is to N. So M is 1, N is 2. So when any point is dividing the line into any ratio, then we have to use section formula. So for that we will take it as x1, y1, this as x2 and y2. So by section formula, children, x coordinate, let me take P, point P, x and y. So we need to find out x and y. So let us take x is equal to m plus n x1 upon n plus n. M is 1. 1 into x2 is minus 4 plus n. N is 2. 2 into x1, that is 2, and 1 plus 2. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 2 to the 4 upon 1 plus 2 is 3, which is 0 upon 3. So x is 0. So we got the coordinate of P, x coordinate as 0. Let us go for y coordinate. So by section formula, y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n, children. Now m is 1 into y2 is minus 8 plus n is 2 into y1, that is 7, and upon 1 plus 2. So y is equal to minus 8 plus 2 into 7, 14 upon 3. So that would be 1 is plus, 1 is minus. 14 minus 8 is going to be 6. 6 upon 3, 3 2s are 6. So y coordinate is 2. For point P we got x and y coordinate. Now we will find the coordinate of point Q. So now you see, children, point Q okay, AQ upon QB. AQ is equal to AP plus PQ upon QB. Now AP is equal to QB, PQ is also equal to QB. So we can write in place of AP as QB, PQ as QB plus QB upon what? QB. Now that would be 2 times QB upon QB. QB cancels and we get AQ upon QB as 2 upon 1. So point Q is dividing the line in the ratio 2:1. So we can write here point Q divides AB in 2:1 ratio, which is equal to M is to N. Now we will be using again here section formula, children, as section formula, and we will be finding this is 0, 2. We will find for this x and y. So if that is x, so x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Place the value. M is 2 children here. 2 into x2, and x2 is minus 4, plus n is 1. 1 into x1, that is 2 upon 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That is equal to x is equal to x is equal to 2 into minus 4 minus 8 plus 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6 upon 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x coordinate for q is minus 2 children. Now similarly we can find for y. Now for y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Now m is 2 into y2, y2 is minus 8 plus n is 1 into y1, and y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 1, m is 2, n is 1. 2 into minus 8 minus 16 plus 7 upon 3, and minus 16 plus 7 is minus sign of the greater number, that would be 9, minus 9 upon 3, 3 3s are, and that is minus 3, y coordinate. So y coordinate is minus 3. So you can pause the video and you can solve the sum children. 11th sum of 5.2 exercise. Point A with the coordinate minus 14 and minus 10, and point B 6 minus 2. Make a line AB. So this is your point A and this is your point B. A is minus 14 comma minus 10, and B is 6 comma minus 2. A minus 14 minus 10, B 6 minus 2. There is a point, we have to find the coordinates. Coordinates of the points which divide the line AB in 4 equal parts. So there is 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. So let us take as P, Q and R. So point P, Q, R are dividing the line AB into 4 equal parts. So we can say AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. Fine. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. If you go to C children, Q will be the midpoint of A and B. Okay, because these are 2 equal parts and these are 2 equal parts. So Q is midpoint. Q is midpoint of AB. Let us take this as x1, y1, this as x2 and y2. We need to find out the coordinate of point Q. Let us take it as xy. As Q is the midpoint, so by midpoint formula. By midpoint formula. So x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Place the value. X1 is minus 14 plus x2 is 6 upon 2. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So minus 14 plus 6 would be minus 8. Minus 8 upon 2, 2 4s are. So we got x coordinate as minus 4. Let us find y coordinate by midpoint formula. Y1 plus y2 upon 2. Place the value. Y1 is minus 10 plus y2 is minus 2 upon 2. Minus 10 plus minus 2 upon 2, which will be minus 12 upon 2, 2 6s are. So y coordinate we got as minus 6 of q. Now if you consider a, p, q, p is going to be the midpoint of a and q. Okay, so we can use again. Q is midpoint of AQ. Therefore, my midpoint formula Q is the, sorry children, P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of AQ, and by midpoint formula, let us take the coordinate of point P as x and y. So again by midpoint formula, if this is x1, x2, let me take it as x3 and y3. So x coordinate would be x3 plus x1 upon 2. Place the value. x3 is minus 4 children, plus x1 is minus 14 upon 2, then minus 4 plus minus 14 upon 2, which is minus 18 upon 2, 2 9s are. So x coordinate of point P will be minus 9 children. Let me write here minus 9. Now let us go for y coordinate. Y is equal to, now this point I want to find out, y3 plus y1 upon 2. Place the value. y3 is minus 6 plus y1 is minus 10 upon 2, which is equal to minus 6 plus minus 10 upon 2, which is minus 16 upon 2. 2 1s are, 2 8s are, so it will be minus 8. So P coordinate we got as minus 9 and minus 8. Let us go for R. R is midpoint of Q and B. Therefore, by midpoint formula, now if R is the midpoint, we want to find out coordinate of R. Let us take it as xy. Q and B we have to consider. R is the midpoint. So for finding x value, x3 plus x2 upon 2 children. See, R is the midpoint, therefore x3 plus x2 upon 2. And for y, y3 plus y2 upon 2. Now let us place the value. x3 is minus 4 plus x2 is 6 upon 2. Minus 1 is minus, 1 is plus, so subtraction would be there. 2 upon 2, cancellation 1, x is 1. So here the coordinate is coming as 1. Let us go for y coordinate. Y is equal to y3 plus y2, and y3 is minus 6 plus y2 is minus 2 and upon 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 8 upon 2. Both are minus, so it will be added. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So y is equal to minus 4 children. So we got the coordinate of all the points which are there. P P, Q and R. The question was to find the coordinates of all those points which divide the line into 4 equal parts. You can pause the video, children, and you can solve the sum. There is a point A and B. Point A and point B. The coordinate of point A is 20, 10 and coordinate of point B is 0, 20. We have to find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment into 5 equal parts. So there are points, for example 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the points which I have marked on line AB. These are the points which divide our line AB into 5 equal parts. This is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 parts. So let us name it as P, Q, R and S. And we need to find out the coordinates of point P, Q, R and S. Children, if all these points divide the line into 5 equal parts, can we say like that? AP is equal to PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SB. Yes, all these parts will become equal to one another because P, Q, R, S are dividing the line into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So let us take AP upon PB. Now see PB is made up of what? PQ plus QR plus RS plus SB. PQ plus QR plus RS plus SB. Children, you have done the sum before. See, AP upon PB. So, AP upon PQ plus QR plus RS plus SB. And these all are equal to one another. Can I easily write AP upon AP because these all are equal to AP. So, I can write here 1, 2, 3, 4 times AP. AP get cancelled, so 1 upon 4. So, AP upon PB is equal to 1 upon 4. That means point P is dividing this line into 1:4 ratio. If point P is dividing the line into 1:4 ratio, then I can use M is to N equal to 1:4, and I can definitely use section formula here now. And I can find the coordinate of point P. So let us take it as x, y, and x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. So which is x2 and which is x1? This is x1, this is x2, y1 and this is y2. So place the value, children. M is 1 into x2, x2 is 0 plus n. What is n? N is 4 into x1 and x1 is 20 upon 1 plus 4, children. M is plus n, so 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 into 20 is 4 to 8, 80. 80 upon 5, and if I divide 80 by 5, 5 ones are and 5 6 are. So x coordinate of P I get as 16, children. Let me write it here, x, y. So x coordinate I got as 16. Same way I can get the y coordinate. So y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. M is 1, 1 into y2, and y2 is 20, plus n is 4 into y1 is 10 upon 1 plus 4. So what I am getting? 20 plus 4 tens are 40 upon 5, that is 60 upon 5, and if I divide 5 ones are 5 twos are, so y coordinate I get 12. Now if you go to see, point P is the midpoint of A and Q. Now here for finding Q coordinate I can use midpoint formula. P is the midpoint. P is midpoint of A and Q. A and Q. Now by midpoint formula. If P is the midpoint, and let me take this as x, y, then 16 is equal to x plus x1 upon 2. 16 is the x coordinate of P. So x coordinate is equal to this plus this upon 2. So what do we get? 16 into 2, x plus x1, and x1 is how much? 20. 16 2s are 32 is equal to x plus 20. 20 will come here. 32 minus 20 is equal to x. 32 minus 20 will be 12. Yeah, it will be 12. So x coordinate here I got 12. Now for y coordinate, you know why P is the midpoint, na? So 12 is equal to y plus y1 upon 2. 2 will come here. 12 into 2 is equal to y, you want to find out, plus y1 is 10. 12 2s are 24 is equal to y plus 10. 10 will come here, children. 24 minus 10 is equal to y. 24 minus 10, 4, 14. So y is equal to 40. So we got this 14. Now if you go to see, children, Q is the midpoint of P and R. So let us consider here x and y now. R will be considered as x and y. Again by midpoint formula. Children, Q is the midpoint of P and R. So by using midpoint formula, children, we can get the value of R. If Q is the midpoint, this coordinate will be equal to this plus this. See, 12 is equal to x plus 16 upon 2. X is this and 16 upon 2. 2 will go there. 12 into 2 is equal to x plus 16. 24 minus 16 is equal to x. So 24 minus 16 would be 8. Yeah, 14 minus 6 would be 8. Yeah, it will be 8. So x coordinate we got here 8. Now let us go for y coordinate. So this is the midpoint, na? So 14 is equal to y plus 12 upon 2. See, if this is the midpoint, this y1 plus y2 upon 2, na? So 14 into 2 is equal to y plus 12. 12 2s are 14 2s are 28 minus 12 is equal to y. So 28 minus 12, 8 minus 2 is 6, 2 minus 1 is 16. So y is equal to 16. So here we got 16. So we got the coordinate of R also 8, 16. Now we want the coordinate of S. If you go to see children, here we know the coordinate and here also we know the coordinate. But this coordinate we don't know. So, and this is the midpoint. So we can again consider this as XY. And by using the midpoint formula we can find out. Let me rub this here. So if S is the midpoint, S is midpoint of R and B, therefore X is equal to X2 plus 8 upon 2, and X we need to find out. How much is X2? 0. Right here, 0 plus 8 upon 2, that is 8 upon 2, 2 4s are, so we got X as 4. Now for Y coordinate, 20, that is Y2 plus 16. Okay, if S is the midpoint, upon 2, and Y2 we know 20. 20 plus 16 upon 2, so that is 36 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2 8s are, so here it is 18. So S coordinate we got 4, 18. Children, we have got all the coordinates. You can pause the video and you can solve the sum, children. And we are done with 5.2 exercise, children. You can rewind, you can watch, re-watch, and next video we will continue with problem set.